What's up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. Today we're going to be working on the RSX, not anything exterior wise, but in the interior. Let me show you guys what we're working on today. And so, as you guys can see, we got these wires here that connect from the head unit and to the battery all the way through the back there. And I'm going to be cleaning it up, do some wire tucking. And I just cleaned out the whole car. Don't mind the rip right there. I'm gonna switch that out. But in today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning this up, as well as doing some other things to the RSX. I have very bad OCD, and seeing this from the driver's side is not looking too good. So I'm gonna be doing some wire tucking and zip tying him, so it looks pretty neat, and you won't be able to see the wires anymore. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So I just finished it up. The ending wires are right here. I still have to make sure everything is all good and then mount the amp either to the seat or onto the actual speaker box or the sub box. But this is the basic wire tuck that I did for the RSX, from my sub all the way to the head unit. So this is the RCA cable. This is the, I think, power to the battery. And I don't know what this is. I think this is to the head unit. But I tucked it through here, through this panel. Underneath here, this plastic part, I wired it through here, here, under here, wired it through here, all the way throughout the door panel, and then through here. I took off this plastic part right here. I don't know what these are called, but yeah, this is easy to just pull out, and then wired it up through here, zip tied it to one of these wires right here so it'll stay up there. Then now it's wired it through here. This one to the battery, this one to the head unit, and this one also to the head unit. So that's about it for the wire tuck. It looks so much cleaner now, like so much cleaner. There's no more wires dangling all over the place. I just tested out the music to see if anything was messed up for any reason or the wires were pinched at some point, and it's perfectly fine. And yeah, all good, finally clean. All cleaned up, vacuumed up, everything. Now I'm gonna head to Timmy's house so we can get some speaker wires and hopefully get these to actually sound a lot better by getting a bigger gauge wire from the sub to the amp. So it'll be much more cleaner sound and more high quality sound. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to Timmy's. And I am here at Timmy's casa. Got the two RSXs here, and Timmy's actually working on his car at the moment. What are you doing today, Timmy?
That thing.
Oh, what the hell? This is hella small. He's replacing his gaskets. Which ones are you replacing?
The resonator to the axle back, and then the axle back itself.
Oh, okay. Wow. I'm gonna need to do that for mine. So, yeah. It's a cat. Aww. Let's see. Will let me pet it? Okay, pet me. Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Is this one friendly? Oh. Okay, so while Timmy's doing that, I'm going to be working on little things for the RSX, such as replacing this. I'm not going to get new ones. I'm probably going to get new ones, probably some HICs. But the reason why I want to keep these is because of this very sticker. It's still in perfect condition. It's still holding up pretty well. And if you guys know, if you guys are OG subscribers who have been watching me for a while now, you guys know this sticker. And I got this when I was in Japan, so I don't want to get rid of it. So I'm just gonna take this off and replace the 3M tape because this one's flying off, as well as this one right here. And this one's just been flapping around every time I drive. So I'll replace that and run it along here, this 3M tape, and hopefully it should be good. So this one's okay still, but I mean, might as well replace it both, you know. And also one of my Airwolf I guess mirror visor thing, what it's called, one of them fell off. I guess the 3M tape came off, and so I should just replace them for both sides, and hopefully it should be good. It's running a little naked right now, so yeah, I'm gonna replace this as well with the window visors. Let's get into it. I did break this. I'm hella sad, but it's probably time to get new ones. Damn, that's crazy, but it is what it is. HIC is next. Sorry, Up Garage, but it is not flimsy anymore, which I'm very happy about. And if you guys need any help, like pinching down things when you're taping it down or doing double-sided tape, use this. This helps a lot because it saves you the time and energy to be pressing on this for minutes, and you just leave this in there and it'll stay perfectly. These are fine, these are perfect now, and yeah, RSX is back to how it was. Now much better than before because it's not flimsy. I did not replace the other side because I pulled it just a good amount and it did not come off at all. Maybe, yeah, it did not come off at all, like any side. So yeah, time to take this one off. This one's all secure. Timmy just finished his exhaust hangers, or not exhaust hangers, his gaskets. Car sounds super good. I'm probably gonna do mine in a future video, probably in the next couple of videos, because I do hear a exhaust leak in one of my pipes for the exhaust. So it's either I need to replace gaskets or one of the bolts are loose. Either one, easy fix. So yeah, and I gotta replace the O2 sensor because it's throwing out a code that I am lacking, or my second, I think it's upstream or downstream. I think it's the first O2 sensor that got like either burnt up from spinning too many flames, or it just like broke. I don't know what, but I got the part for that to replace in the next video. So yeah, super happy with how the RSX is going. There's the sub right there. Timmy's car. Damn, the two cleanest RSXs in SAC. Yes, sir. But we're going to be going to Walmart to get some shrink wraps for our subs to our amps, so we can get that perfectly fixed and tidied up. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to Walmart. Alright, change of plans. We are at Harbor Freight. Hope you guys like the rollers of Timmy's car. I don't know if they turned out good or not, but hopefully they did. I'm trying my best to get it as far as possible. But yeah, hopefully they have what we got. But let's go in there.
A few moments later.
Just came back. Just got these heat shrink tubing, and this is only $4 or $5. So pretty good deal. And now me and Timmy are gonna go get some boba, and then after that head back to my place and work on our cars. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, we're here at Kika Boji. So many memories. And look at this.
This is my new car.
New daily?
Yeah.
Damn, on the CRs too? Sheesh. Where we at, bro?
Yeah.
Where the fuck we at, bro? Where we at, bro?
I get some boba and black balls in our mouth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We love that. We love that.
My car now.
Fuck you. But
Right height.
right height. Right height check. Damn. I gotta get new fucking bun. What the fuck? Bruh. God damn it. We're gonna get some boba, then go back home and work on our cars. Alright, Timmy. My boba day. Oh my god. Yes, bitch. We got some boba. Yes. Oh my god. 2 RSX boys with boba. Damn.
Wait. What do you mean RSX? I got
Oh yeah. Ultima. Yeah, you're right. Is it Ultima or Maxima? Let me know, guys.
Wait. Not only did I get the wheels, I got the BBKs too. Look
Oh
at that.
shit! What the fuck?
Look at that shit.
Damn, must be nice. Whoever this is, bruh.
It's me, boy.
Oh yeah, Timmy.
Too.
Damn, bro, this shit crazy, bruh.
Yeah. Interior's thing too. I got leather seats in there.
Damn, shitting on us for real.
I mean you.
Oh yeah. Then whose car is that?
I don't fucking know. Some fucking loser.
Oh, for real, damn, that's crazy. We're gonna head back to my house. Dom's gonna meet us there. You guys haven't met Dom yet in the vlog, so you're gonna meet him through there. And yeah. Boba tea, yes. Alright, we're back at the house. We got the 2 RSXs right here. One right there. And it's time to work on them. Let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, so we're finally done. Timmy. Oh my.
It's cold. Look at the AronRSX
Heater?
heater.
Yes, sir.
It's portable too. It's portable.
Portable heater, bruh.
Yeah.
He's done with his wires and I'm done with mine. We're both of our cars. So here's Timmy's setup. He has the 12.
That's up now.
And then he has the same amp as mine. He has the wire tuck right there. Sir.
It's tucked, right? You can't see it.
Yeah, you're right.
Because
Alright.
I'm partially legally blind.
And then here's mine. No wires. You know what I'm saying? I mounted the amp to the side of the box. And then the wires are gonna be come along through there, under here, through here, and then all throughout the car. So, yeah, man. Stink. Fire. This amp was sitting on my stuff, so like it was just shaking around stuff, and I wanted to make it clean. And this is a 10. Shout out to Dom for not showing up and plugging me with this sub for 20 bucks. So shout out to Dom. Simple, clean setup. I still gotta clean up everything, but that's about it. Do your dance.
I don't know how to do it.
I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please hit the like button. Comment down below what y'all think of my wire tuck. Let me know what you guys think of today's video. Subscribe if you're new. This is AronRSX
Timmy, aka RSX.
signing out. Peace.